So Brittany, before we get started with the interview, let me read something to you. It's clear to us, based on some of the things that have been said about this person, that those that she serves and those that serve her are very, very important, and that she leads with purpose, direction, and motivation while fostering a positive and welcoming work environment. So here's a few quotes that we received. We are incredibly lucky to have her supervise us and teach us every day about how important our individual experiences are and how we shape the culture of this campus. She makes each of us feel seen, heard, and important. She is responsible, optimistic, caring, genuine, and professional. She goes above and beyond with her job and is highly appreciated by her employees and coworkers. She makes sure to let us know how important we are in day-to-day activities. She has helped me with my professional growth by connecting me with professionals that I could talk to regarding my career goals. So, Brittany, this she is you, and sorry you're not doing an interview today. Actually, you're going to be accepting the award for BGSU's 2020 Supervisor of the Year.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Thank you so much.
So, do you have a little something that you would like to share with us about how you feel being nominated the 2020 Supervisor of the Year?
It's just always so heartwarming. Supervising, I supervise over 125 students, but I always try my best to make sure I know them by name and I get to know them individually, because my college experience meant so much to me, and I just want to give back to them, and the work that I do, I couldn't do it without them, and they just mean so much to me.
Again, well-deserving, Brittany, and thank you so much.
Thank you.